Present, sir.
Mahusay,
Present, sir.
Mandresa,
Present, sir.
Nigre,
Present, sir.
Niadas,
Present, sir.
Umandak,
Present, sir.
Omega,
Present, sir.
Umiktin,
Present, sir.
Swan,
Present, sir.
Sumalinog,
Present, sir.
Sorelta,
Present, sir.
Exxon,
Present, sir.
Toto,
Present, sir.
Pagyasado,
Present, sir.
Villacampa.
Present, sir.
So again, Lebron, Hernandez, Kabag.
Present ko, sir. Ako matawag.
Okay. So last meeting, we have discussed about how to make use of your multiplexer to perform asa naman to? To perform logic function. Okay. So we have also tried maximizing our design with multiplexer so that we won't be using that much of a bigger size ng multiplexer in solving logic problems. Okay. And asa naman to? Kadaghang ka-open. So we will now continue to where we last left off. So last time, we were supposed to answer man to, no? A 3-input XOR. Okay. So that we'll be using 2x1 multiplexers and of course some additional gates, okay, to simplify the problem. Okay. So kinsa to ato ang gitawag gani ato last time? Jamboard. Where is the Jamboard? Kinsay na-link sa Jamboard last time? Nay nakasave sa link sa Jamboard? Wala. Okay. Unsa man tay pangan sa Jamboard nga link nga to ang gigamit last time? Open. Jamboard 314. Okay. Unsa naman to ang last nga example? Okay, so dara ato ang last nga example. Okay, kinsa man ning last ani nag-drawing diri. Okay. So, unsa man ni siya? After how many tries sa mga problems nga gisulbad na ingani na ihang naong. Okay. Nagdugo ang mata, unsa ba? Okay. So, sige, let's try to have one of your classmates again. Okay. Shows us how we could simplify the implementation so that we'll only be using a 2x1 multiplexer. Okay, so manawag tag representative na to. So I'll be putting it here guys sa to ang link. Okay, ang problem. Okay. So unsa to'y unang buhaton nato when it comes to problems like this, okay? So we try to analyze the truth table. Okay? So tan-aw nato unsaon ni siya pag-analyze ni kani ang ato ang maswerteng mananaog, ato ang panganlan nga si Suralta. Okay. Is Suralta around?
Yes, nara, sir.
Naa si Suralta. Sige, Suralta. Okay. And tabangan si Suralta ni
Ako, sir.
okay. Si Nisa. Okay. Sige, ato lang sa nislang pasuwayon og tubag. Okay. So, Suralta and si Nisa. Okay. Do your thing. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
let me see you solve this problem. Okay. So implement it using a multiplexer. Okay. So you can also add additional gates. Okay. So it may require you to make use of additional gates. Hello, Sorelta and Sanisa. Are you here already in the Jamboard link?
Nara, sir.
Ana Ara. Okay. Sige. Oh, 2 by 1. Ah, okay na. 2 to 1. Same ra. Okay. So apply guys all the things that you have learned so far. Okay. Mau ba? Ito. And if okay. If we try to cover lang this one, no? Okay. If we cover that part, what does this reminds you of, guys? gate function. Oh, hello. Ako'y di class.
Sir, ikaw ang loud, sir.
Connection diri kay. Speed test. Okay rang speed ninyo dira Anil? Sa internet, okay rin yung speed? Kay nag-fiber ding ang ang upload
Hindi matabang, sir.
noon 7050. Ba? Choppy ako ang tingog for everyone.
Copy ka, sir.
Okay, so there. If W1 is 0, W2 and W3 is similar to that or gate. While is gate Hello, mic test. Okay. Nabalik na. Naman. Okay, so we hear siya na to. Okay. So can we further simplify that W2 and W make two multiplex. Okay, so ay ma-starter ko. Ah, ang ay mag-start ako sa start PC. Ang speed test daw rin. Speed test ni Mudra rin. Galoding na ni Perme. Asula. Imbis mo kusog, mihinay na minog samot. Hello. Kana ron guys. Ato gyapon.
Nalungog na, sir.
Gamay na lang, sir. Mga 10%.
Arang-arang na. Hello. Mic test. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Sige. Kana. 11 Mbps. Wait. I-reset sa. Wait sa. lag guys, stutter. DOST. Pero ganin nga ba ito hinay? Or katong pagkawagtang sa internet, agto ni sugod og hinay? Pagbalik ni hinay na. Sobra man. Kana abot siya 100. Download. Karon i-try ko na. Loading ba? Okay, hello. Murag ko upload ay. Paspas ang download, ang upload may
Aldrin, guwapo. Den, guwapo. Aldrin, naligo ba daw ka anak dyan?
Guwapo.
Face to face na lang.
Di ba, mukanta pa man sila Ria Groscari.
Andam dag kanta.
Kanta daw, pusong bato daw.
Never enough.
Hello, hello. Mic testing. Okay, sige ko no guys, paki-open ko no sa camera guys.
Na-answer sa Jamboard, sir.
Okay, kuyawang umandak oh. Mura magka ng piniriso ba? Left side, right side. Napay top view na ba? Bisag na top view ha? Papilig top view. Okay. Okay. So W2 and W3. Okay. So, kana, pwede ra pud ni siya guys. Okay.
Wala naka-share ang screen, sir.
So, with this solution, yay. Okay. Okay, looking at the solution as what we have seen. Okay, so we go to further. Okay, the number of inputs sa to ang multiplexer.
Copy, sir.
Using multiplexer, it is very important. Okay, so take note. It is very important that you should label. Okay, asa ang 0 nimo, asa ang 1, o asa mo ang select inputs. Okay, so don't forget that. Kay kung wala na siya during exam, automatic 0 na siya. Okay. So aside from this solution, okay, you can also try to consider having this also. Okay. So in terms of gate implementation, kung makabantay mo, this one over here is, di ba, considered naman na siya as like a 2 input, okay, nga gate, which is in this case nga gibuhat sa inyong kauban asa to. Okay, gibutangan og W3 complement. So initially that's just something like this. Okay, so ikabot nato sa W2, essentially mura ra man nagibali nimo si W3 og 0 og 1. So essentially pwede ra pod na ninyo ma-replacean og inverter. So pwede na ni wala. Okay? So all in all, based on the implementation, makita nato nga we are actually using lesser gates when this is implemented. Okay? Kaya kung mogamit atong 2x1, di ba, namang gihapoy inverter ug naapoy additional AND gate ug OR gate. Okay? So with this one, we are able to solve the problem simply by using 2x1 multiplexer. Okay? Then additional gates lang nga 2 inverters. Okay? So again, I'm not saying nga sayop to ganina, again, it still is correct. Okay? It will still work as intended, but in terms of optimization, so mas optimize ni siya nga solution. Okay? So here is again another solution if we are to implement the problem with a 4x1 multiplexer. Okay? So makita naman dayon nato dire based sa truth table. Okay? How we segment, okay, our solution based on the select input W2, okay, with respect ang output kang W3. Okay? So makita din nato dire, di ba? At this portion, at this combination, W3 ang basihan sa output. Ikabot dire, og dire sa ubos, it will be W3 complement. Okay? Kaya ang value ni W3 with respect sa output is basically inverse. And ikabot nato dire sa combination 3, we have here W3. Okay? Paspasan lang nato kay murag taas kay tang oras nga nasayang. Okay? So again, those use of our, how do you call that, truth table is basically supported by the so-called Shannon expansion theorem. So I do believe you were already reading about this, no? Okay? So the Shannon expansion theorem is basically an alternative solution that we could use to expand our logic function. Okay? So, of course, with respect to the Boolean variable nga imuhang intended kwaon nimo from the expression. So essentially, okay, pwede din nato extract out ang usa ka variable dira. Okay? So we could create a simplified function based on this variable. Okay? So I think inyuhan naman siguro na siyang na research, no? So again, base aning example, given this expression, so we know that this is not a canonical version of our expression. Okay? So matawag ni natong simplified. Okay? Nga standard SOP. Nganong simplified man siya nga standard SOP? Because not all the terms are complete. Di ba? For example, kani x complement y. Okay? Maklaro pa ba ko, guys? Okay? Thumbs up
Yes,
lang
sir.
if maklaro pa. Okay. So as what we can see here, we could actually modify, okay, our function so that we will be representing, okay, a simplified solution by extracting out a variable. So for example, we say, what will be the new solution if we extract x? Okay, so we can actually regenerate again the function without x. So if we remove x, basically what we did here is simply we factor out nato si x. Okay, so this now becomes a function of x when x is equal to 1. Ang equivalent niya is yz. Okay, so here is another function wherein your x is equal to 0. Okay, so given by that symbol nga complement. Okay, so kung tanaw na to, actually mura rata ga factor out sa ato ang variable x. Okay, so we were able to modify the function. So essentially with this combination, pwede nimo ma-implement ang function with a 2x1 multiplexer based on the function x nga input. Okay? So let's say kung 0, so naa kay y plus y complement z. On the other one, you have your y z complement. Okay? So more na guys ang idea sa Shannon expansion theorem. So if ever gani you want to implement niya ni with a 4x1 multiplexer, so mamili kag duha ka variable nga imong i-extract out from the expression. Okay? So again, there's no specific rule in the Shannon expansion theorem about what variable ang imong i-select to be removed from the expression. Okay? For all we know, kung mapulaan ka ni x, you could always go with other variables, such as in this case, ang gipili nato is si y. Okay? So given that we have chosen y, so extract nato ang variable y. So murag i-factor out nimo si y. So factoring y out provides us now with this function. Okay? So if you are to implement that with a 2x1 multiplexer again, so when y is 0, okay? So naa kay function diri nga x complement z, while the other one naa kay x complement plus xz complement. Okay? Of course, based on the function y. Okay? So mga alternative nga pamaagi. Okay? So again, here is another example nga ato ang makita wherein we have this function over here. Okay? So given that function, kung i-plot na nimo sa truth table, it will now look like this. Okay? So based sa implementation, we have utilized W1, okay, to serve as your function nga imuhang basihan for the simplification sa imuhang data inputs. So reminders lang, naapanay label on dira 0 and 1, and of course this is your select inputs. Okay, so don't forget to always add, okay, ang kana nga input. Okay, so kung magtan-out ani, we can do it algebraically. Okay, getting your W1 from the expression. Okay, so getting W1, laro kayo. Okay, asa gagikan. Okay, so we have this. So for this one, i-extract out nimo. Okay, so we have this to get. Okay, so makita nato diri guys. Okay, when simplified. Okay, kay pwede man nato i-partner, di ba, kani siya, and of course kani pod og kani. So that's how we come up with W2 plus W3. Okay, nagets ra ba nganong nahimong W2 plus W3? Okay, so again, for those nga wala kabantay, it's because ato aning gi combine kani and also this one to this one. Okay, so using the simplification theorem, we were able to remove katong mga nag-complement. Okay, so again, another example of how you can synthesize the expression into using multiplexers. Okay, so more examples, more chances of getting the solution directly from what will be coming out from the exam, no? Okay, matimingan pa de, bisan nagibalik ni nako. Okay, kana og kana og magkalisod na jud kaayo. Okay, so let's look at how Shannon expansion here is being utilized. Okay, so purely algebraic manipulation ang gigamit. Okay, so given the function W times W2 plus W1 times W3 plus W2 times W3. Okay, so given that we will be expanding the solution based on the variable W1, so palahi day nimo dira. Okay, W1 if it is 0, W1 if it is 1. Okay, so i-construct nato dire naabay W1 nga complemented nga makita nimo nga implementation dire. Okay, so basically wala, so meaning dire 0 kani 0, then of course for this one, possibly ba nga with this term makakuha kag combination nga naay W1 complement. Okay, so if you're trying to solve this algebraically, di ba, pwede ba nimo ma-extract nga naa kay complemented W1 from this? Okay, possible ba? How? Okay, so again, kung mag-multiply ka na og 1, di ba, wherein your 1 could be what?
Sir, W1 plus W1 prime, sir.
Okay, So W1 plus W1 prime. So pwede day na siya. Okay? So morning na adere. But for this one, 0, multiply na to 0 because multiplying that with 0 is 0. So if multiply this with that, it will also be 0. So basically, why nausab sa imong expression? It still is equal to the original. Okay? Yeah, dere W1, of course. Same ras gibuhat nimo dere. Mura ra gi-factor out nimo. And since W1 times W3 exists, may butang balik W3 dra. Okay? So simplifying, okay? Now, your function
Choppy, sir.
W
Happy ka, sir.
to din manigigan si W2, W3. Again, if you lagi kapas pa kay horot ta sa hindi na po akong speed asula. Okay. Sige lang. May fiber on nag-fiber. So anyway, okay. To simplify guys, okay, always use Boolean algebra or use caping. Okay, kita mo or far on how is to be implemented. Base lang po sa ato ang example diri. Okay. So implementing this circuit, okay, with a 2x1 multiplexer, it could be simplified in this manner. So again, for all you know, you could actually decide as to whether unsang sector ang gamito nimo when you are trying to expound your function. Okay? So pwede ka gamit ni W2 or ni W3 pa. Again, choose which one would provide you with so, example lang na siya. So, another example. Okay. So, for this given problem, okay, gipakita lang nato dire how the problem will be okay. Again, what would be the label kaha if we are to implement this? So, essentially, ang sa ibabaw, mao na ang 0, 1, 2, 3. So, this will be your okay, W1 base sa nato. So, this one and that is a so jaga so yung sa masating 4x1 multiplexer, okay, so if this function niya nimo essentially you generate all the possible okay. Sige lang non siya to ang notes, okay, kita you could actually make use of it when you try to review by yourself. Okay. So, ay, palitan ng internet. And for this, okay. Okay. So just like when you try to solve problems that involves an implementation for a 4x1 multiplexer, okay? If you're having doubts about your algebraic manipulation, okay. Oh, wala na sa previous notes guys. Ako ni siyang gi-add. Okay. Load pa niya ko ni siya kay murag ang last notes was coming from the FPGA. Okay. So na-example ito sa FPGA itong multiplexer niya. Pag-discuss na to mura mag dang kumaking mga noun pag-got og using multiplexer to perform logic function. Mon ang balik ron. Okay. So, kaya lang paning canon theorem. Kaya nga ito ang discussion man good last time when we implemented the logic circuit using multiplexer, we were using on the truth table. Okay. So, kaya pwede naman sa ninyo without using the truth table. Okay. Hello. So, stay mic test. Andog nila dito sa tuang switch. Butsyatan eh. Okay. Hello, hello. Be, magkaraoke na lang ta diri be kinsa may kantahon na maminot ako putol-putol gyapon. Okay mani for 3 input is on the magic input. Okay. So again, given this equation, okay, it algebraic based on theorem, tanaw lang guys, based on using a 2x1 multiplexer dagdag sa nato as you can see nga pagbungkag, okay, on first the value. Okay, so again, kung ninyo sa ato ang truth table, okay, una na to ang most significant at then dili matter. Okay, ang most significant, ang second or ang least significant doon. Depende na siya sa solution which would give you okay, but somehow tulad
Sige, sige
Tingnan
guys.
Open ka mo eh. Screenshot na ta.
Screenshot na to guys. Sige, 1. Sige, 1. Sige, 1, 2. Si Rosemary do, asa mo to?
Higda na to.
Natawag na.
Tuog na nas Rosemary eh. Mana din, gaya na eh. Bye, manigas.